welcome to another episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, and this week we are in 3 Miles in Kingston. We have the latest in entertainment and lifestyle, so stay tuned because Pree Dis starts right now. Garland and Faye and Lions worked up a storm at Bacchanal Fridays last week. It was Digital Night and we have all the highlights.
Tonight is a culmination of 6 glorious weeks of mass camp this year. Every night has been a hit, and tonight is going to be the hit of hits. We brought the king of carnival tonight, Bunji Garland, and his wife Faye and Lions, and it is going to be fantastic.
What were the stand-up moments for you?
You know what? This year we decided at the beginning of carnival that no 2 Friday nights were going to be the same, and we delivered. Every Friday night, different theme, different layout, different entertainment, and the people have supported us and we thank them. And now we're over the warm-up and we're into the home stretch and we're going to give you 4 huge events. Road March is on April 3rd. It starts at 10 o'clock right outside the stadium mass camp, and it goes through the streets of Kingston till about 6:30. We have 6 of the biggest music trucks we've ever had, 5 fully stocked bars, thousands of revelers. I won't tell you how many. You're going to come out and see them. And just a fantastic day planned. We have all the top DJs from Trinidad, all the top DJs from Jamaica, and a couple of singers that are going to come and visit us for the day.
Give us some names. Give us some names.
Well, we have Private Ryan coming. We have Back to Basics, Richie Ross, Smoke, Richie D. There's a few of them. Kess is going to be here. We're going to be a full stock day. When we started this thing, it was for fun. We never ever thought it would become a national event. But through perseverance and really the love of it, because we don't do it because it's a business, we do it because we love it, it has grown into something that is now truly Jamaican. This is probably one of the best carnivals in the world. In fact, Trinidad Carnival Diary rates it the 2nd best carnival in the Caribbean behind Trinidad.
I consider all your people, jump up with the people, wave up with the people, get all mad with the people, overlook the people, jump up with the people, wave up with the people, get all mad with the people. I want to bet and carry on, celebrate and carry on, I want to bet and carry on, celebrate and carry on.
Well, after 15 years of partnering with Bacchanal, we're so excited to continue our theme of Fed Forever. So we're closing out the night, Digital Night. Here the energy is extremely high. We're bringing out so many surprises because we knew we had so much to take on. Last week they had their beach fete. The week before they had Bacchanal versus Dancehall, where Chromatic really brought the energy. Tonight, we have the Soca Power Couple. We have Faye and Lions, we have Bunji Garland, and we know they're gonna bring high energy to the stage. So we're really excited about it. As usual, you know we always have something tucked away in the back pocket. And I'm telling you, we're bringing something back and we're bringing something special. So I want everybody to look out for it for the Road March. I mean, it's truly exciting. Plus, you have the Razzle Dazzle costume, you have the Digicel truck. It's gonna be truly amazing. Every year it's great. This year we're talking about Fed Forever. We're celebrating the legacy of Bacchanal. Like I said, it's been 15 years that Digicel has been partnering with them. So every year it's good, and this year we know it's gonna be even better. I have to take my hats off to the Bacchanal team for continuing to innovate and continuing to have to change the game as we evolve. So I mean, I've loved the entire series, but naturally, Digicel Nights with Bungie, Fayan, the Zygote balls, the giveaways, the free costume, the phone giveaways, the tablets, the wave rags, the mugs. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that.
We come to take over ground. Hey, we come to take over sound. Dominate on every compound. Them must have been like finest. Some must have been like high bread. Them they looking time and rewind. Everybody gets off the ground. Jamaica just gets off the ground. West Indian gets off the ground. What? Everybody gets off the ground. Two. Everybody gets off the ground. What? When everyone in the party, put up your hands up. So just move to the wall of hands and so one more time. Hey, all over massive let me see you put your hand up in the air. Everybody, find a bumper. Find a bumper, everybody. Now this is what I want to see. I want to see you left, and where you wind this side. Left, I think I wind this side. I think I wind this side. And we have to synchronize motion.
Now it's time to educate you on the accident prevention tip of the week, courtesy of our sponsor, Superior Parts Limited.
If you are driving on a highway for the very first time or at any time at all, here are a few tips to help you navigate your way safely. Make sure your brakes, lights, turn signals, steering, transmission and all other parts are working safely. The highway is the worst place to break down. Use your turn signal mirrors and glance at your blind spots frequently. When driving on highways, you should always stay in the furthest lane to the right unless you are passing a slower moving vehicle in front of you. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
And now we're on to our first commercial break, but when we get back, former TOK member Bay C talks about his new EP and we roll out the music video premiere of the week. We'll be right back.